Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. We are back out on the water in the Kingston area. Today is a special ride. Today, as you guys have probably heard throughout all my other videos, I'm the PWC ambassador for April Marine here in Ontario, and today is our Club April Marine ride. So we've got tons of people that are members of Club April Marine here. We're gonna head out on the water, check out Thousand Islands, check out some castles. Probably saw those castles in the last video, but now it's with our friends here at Club April Marine. So let's see, everyone's starting to load in, so let's go have a look, see what everything looks like. All right, let's get going. All right guys, we're just here getting ready for the ride.
Hi guys, welcome, and thanks to come here for a beautiful day.
Awesome, we're gonna have a great day on the water, appreciate it. All right, as we can see, people are starting to load in. We've got people lined up down here ready to go. So again, we're here with Club April Marine. We're gonna have a great day on the water. So things have been moving smoothly, I love it. All right, let's check in and see what we're doing, probably once I get in the water. All right, we're on the water. We're about to get the day going. We're gonna just meet up here at the front, do a little debrief, and kind of tell everyone what they're doing today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, about 25 skis or so, maybe more. That's a pretty good turnout. All right guys, let's just line up here and we'll check in with you guys in a minute. we're just going down a passageway called the Rip, and that's the Canada-US border right there. So I think we're right on the borderline. Yeah, we got everyone in tow. Welcome to New York. Helps if you aim at the people. All right, we've all made it back after an amazing day. So we're just going to do a little bit of a parade of everyone going past. So thanks to everyone that came out. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. So we're going to just head into the marina now and just hang out for a bit. So here's a parade of everybody that came out today. Thanks for coming. And we've just wrapped up the day here on the water. What an amazing day getting out, exploring the Thousand Islands.
And thanks everybody for coming out, and thank you, Mark, for taking us all out.
Of
that
course.
was an amazing day, and we look forward to doing it again next year.
Can't wait. So guys, again, check out April Marine if you're looking for your insurance for your PWCs, boats, anything marine. Check them out. Use my name, Mark Forrest, when you give a call to the number below in the description. Get 10% off, and you have the opportunity to join up with Club April Marine and get out on rides like this. So until the next video, guys, as always, be safe on the water. Peace.
Bye.